What you think, that you become. This is very famous line, might be you all have heard, but we need to understand the meaning of this line. What do you mean with this? What you think, that you become? It's supposed to be you are eating all the time, you are thinking about eat. So obviously you will be imagining about good food, the taste of that food. You will be going to the good restaurant. You will be asking your mother to prepare like that way. So whatever you are thinking, you are asking your mind, and your mind also is imagining all those things. It's supposed to be someone is feeling all the time sleeping because they feel very comfortable on the bed. They will be imagining about the good bed to go somewhere to rest and all. So this happened with our mind, which the psychology also says. What we think, that we become. So now here comes, I don't want to study. Why? Because your mind itself is thinking that you can't study. When you are only thinking, yeah, you can't study, so obviously what instruction you will be giving to your mind? I don't want to study. As whenever I am sitting for the study, I feel very bored. That's not my cup of tea. So here we need to train our mind, and which is very, very tough. Okay, to just train our mind, which we think. But the same thing when you have to go watch TV, when you have to go and roam here and there, when you have to meet someone, that time our mind is very happy. Why? Because we are thinking that we have to do that. That's the reason these are the things happening. So how to train your mind so that you should take interest in study. So from now onwards, if you will focus on that, if you train your mind, what will happen? You also will be thinking like the topper students do. What they are doing? Very simple things which I am going to tell. First of all, might be you have heard about Muhammad Ali. So Muhammad Ali was the champion in boxing. So thrice back to back, he was a champion in the world actually, and the name for him, it was given as the greatest. Why the greatest? Because wherever, when the people have asked how you became the champion, do you know what the secret he has shared to this world? He said, whenever I was just going for any match and when I was doing the practicing, when I used to be alone, I used to say one thing only: I'm the champion, I'm the champion, I'm the champion. I want to just become the champion and no one should be like me. In a such a way he used to affirm. So how he has trained his mind, according to that only the result has come to him. Here you also need to understand, are you speaking to yourself that you are good at study? Are you speaking to your mind also? You can be the topper, you can be actually the best person in your life. If you are doing that, then no one can stop you to become the topper also. This is we only who is giving the affirmation to ourselves. We can't study, we can't read, I am feeling very bored. For here, what you need to do, lot of practice to train your mind. So I suggest a very simple tips. Please keep a very good notebook. Okay, let's see how I am writing here. Okay, here you need to write every day at least 5 lines about yourself. Write and read. Write and read, at least for the 5 minutes do. Morning when you are getting up, write down, I am the best, I am going to study well. All these things you should write. Okay, after that you need your writing only, you have to read. So what is happening? Your mind is looking at this and you are doing. The second thing what you have to do it, make a very big flow chart. Okay, that you have to do it. In that flow chart, imagine yourself for the next 10 years. Okay, right now supposed to be you are in 5th standard, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. If you are in 10th standard, 10, 11th standard, 12th standard, your graduation time, okay, first year, second year, third year, you need to make your image there and write down. In 3rd standard, how you should be, what you need to achieve. Then 4th standard, what? Then 10th standard, what? Then in graduation, what? Okay, in such a way, what you can do, you can design your life here for the next 10 years. Like how you should be, which college you need to take the admission, and here you will be having the clarity of your goal, whether you wanted to become doctor, engineer, a writer, a motivator, other a dancer. According to that only you have to write down. If you wanted to become the dancer, it means you should go for some dancing class. Where, which institute, then next year which competition you have to go, then after that which academy you need to enroll. In a such a way, step by step you need to design. If you are in a primary section, then take the help of your parents. If you are in the high school, then you can just ask to anyone to whom you trust a lot and you think that that person can help me out. So these two things are very important. First, write your affirmation about yourself, like I am the champion, I am the topper, and what will happen, your mind will give the focus to you to study. The second thing is you need to make your own life, okay, for the next 10 years. Then the third thing, which is very important, when you are making these two, when you are writing your affirmation and when you are talking to yourself for the next 10 years, that time dream big. You should write very big letter with a big letter. Your dream. I wanted to become this. That dream should be there, which every day you have to see, and you need to just imagine that. And the next thing is the fourth tips, which is very important. Add daily 1%. If you have to study today, you studied for supposed to be half an hour. Tomorrow, then add more few minutes, like 5 minutes, okay, 35 minutes. The next day 40 minutes. In a such a way, just have a practice for that. And whenever you are getting bored, that time what you need to do, when we get bored and we are feeling very tired with the study, generally what we will do, we will watch the TV, we will go for the ground. Again distraction is happening. Like suppose right now I am doing something serious work, I will feel very bored. So what I will do, immediately I will go for some important books which will help me, which we used to say self-help book, okay, like some motivational kind of book, okay, that you will start reading, like your favorite book, okay. So just start reading. So what is happening, you have just come up with that study part right now, but you are engaging in a self-helping yourself, okay. And after 10-15 minutes, when you are thinking this, you got the motivation and all, then again start reading and studying. So that's how you have to plan yourself. Have one small alarm also with you, like half an hour I have to study. Don't touch the phone, don't go for near the TV. Half an hour till the time this alarm is not ringing, you should not get up from that place, and just study and use lot of colors. When you study anything, you need to write down, like a red pen, black pen, all these colors should be there, because color will give lot of positivity in your brain and it won't distract your brain also. There's a reason use color when you are reading, studying and writing anything you are doing. And the last one, which is very important, have calendar, weekly calendar, day calendar and monthly calendar and yearly calendar. Calendar means you need to plan. Like suppose this is a diary, you could see that this is here day wise, but with the day wise I have to write what I have to do today, tomorrow what I should do. So completely you can see day wise, weekly wise and monthly wise. You need to tick whether I have done or not. So you are only the teacher for yourself who can judge whether you are doing this work or not. So 5 things which I told you all how to study. First of all, talk to yourself that you are the champion, you are the topper and you can do anything whatever you wanted to do. Okay, that you have to write and read. Every morning do it, and when you are going to the bed also. The second thing which you have to do it, whenever you are reading, that time you should all the time write down whether you are writing properly or not. Use lot of colors and all. And the third thing is, make the flow chart of your 10 years, what you are going to do for the 10 years, and dream very high. That's very important. Then the next thing is, add every day 1% in your life extra. So what will happen? You are going to be very assertive in your goal and for achieving those goals. Okay. And the last thing is, have check. If you are not checking your goal, if you are not monitoring what you are doing on daily basis, on weekly basis and monthly basis, then you can't create the habit. Okay. So I hope you all should give this training to your mind you can do whatever you wanted to do. So you can study if you want to study. If you are giving this affirmation, if you are giving this dream, if you are doing this practice, then really you are going to achieve whatever the goal you have dreamed. Thank you so much.